Miss Chin gone missing in Montego Bay. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 46-year-old Zhejiang Chong, otherwise called Miss Chin, of Montego Bay Village, Montego Bay, St. James, has been missing since Thursday, November the 10th. She's of fair complexion, medium build, and about 165 centimeters, or 5 feet 5 inches tall. Reports from the Mount Salem police are that at about 3 p.m., Miss Chin was last seen boarding a taxi on Greenpond Avenue in the parish. At that time, she was wearing a grey blouse, grey and white polka dot tights, and a pair of pink sneakers. She has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Miss Chin is being asked to contact the Mount Salem police at 876-952-3572, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.